How to save contacts to Google account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can save contacts to Google account. In your default contact app, if you have these settings where you can sync your contacts with Google account, then you can go ahead and toggle that option on. However, if you do not have that feature, then you want to open Play Store on your device. Now, here you want to search for contacts. Now you want to tap on the install button and have this application installed on your device. With this application, you can back up your contacts and access them anytime. Once it has been downloaded, tap on the open option. Now here it's going to ask you allow contacts to access your contact. You want to tap on the allow option. Tap on allow for all the required permissions. Now, all of your contacts are going to be backed up on Google Contacts. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.